Today, we will be using the trading strategy created by this guy, which boasts an impressive 76% success rate in the forex market. Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome to Akash Diyar channel. Now let's break down what we will cover in this video. First, we will delve into the performance report of this strategy. We will take a closer look at its conditions and rules. Next, we will create a script for generating buy and sell signals on TradingView using Pine script. Then, we will integrate it with Pine connector syntax, allowing us to connect it to MT4 or MT5 for automated trading. So let's start with understanding the strategy performance. क्योंकि वारेन बफेट कहते हैं जोखिम तब होता है जब आपको पता नहीं होता कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं। तो इस गाय ने 100 ट्रेड्स 6 महीने का बैक टेस्ट किया है एंड 40% गेन ऑन अकाउंट। अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर रिपोर्ट स्ट्रेटेजी की कितनी एक्यूरेसी है? सो दिस गाय शोड हिज टेस्टेड रिजल्ट इन वीडियो। द स्ट्रेटेजी हैज an accuracy rate of 76%. Risk reward थोड़ा यहाँ पे अलग है. The risk reward ratio here is 1.5:1. Moving on to the strategy rules. The chart time frame is 1 hour and the tested market is Euro USD. This strategy is ideal for those who lack the time to closely monitor the market. High time frame strategies are preferable due to their accuracy, allowing traders to avoid constant screen monitoring. This strategy entries are based on 3 exponential moving averages with different lengths 50, 14 and 8 periods and the stochastic RSI with default settings. Additionally, the average true range ATR indicator will be used to set stop loss and take profit TP levels. For a long entry, EMA 8 must be above EMA 14 and both EMA 8 and 14 must be above EMA 50. When the stochastic RSI blue line crosses above the red line, take a long entry. The TP exit is set at 2 times of the ATR and the SL is set at 3 times of the ATR value from the entry price. If the stochastic RSI crosses up but EMAs do not align with the uptrend, that setup is considered invalid. For short entry, EMA 8 must be below EMA 14 and both EMA 8 and 14 must be below EMA 50. When the stochastic RSI blue line crosses below the red line, take a short entry. The SL and TP rules are the same as for long entries. Now that we have covered all the strategy rules, let's move forward without delay. Our next step is to create signal generating indicator on TradingView based on these strategy rules. First, we will add EMA trends of 8, 14 and 50 period with different colors to easily identify them on the chart. Next, we will establish rules for identifying uptrends and downtrends based on this EMA. We will then add the stochastic RSI indicator Afterward, we will create a buy signals triggered when the stochastic RSI crosses up and EMAs are in a uptrend. For sell signals, we will do opposite, looking for downtrends in the EMAs and cross down on the stochastic RSI. We will also create variables for SL and TP and set these when generating signals. Additionally, we will display these signals on the chart for buy, sell, SL, TP hits and set up alerts for them. Let's take a look at the chart. As you can see, when the stochastic RSI crossed up and the EMAs were in an uptrend, our indicator generated a buy signal. And here, our take profit TP was hit. Similarly, for a sell signal, you can observe the stochastic crossing down along with the EMAs in a downtrend. In this case, our indicator is provided a sell signal and you can see that our stop loss was hit. तो हमारा बनाया हुआ इंडिकेटर परफेक्टली काम कर रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन स्ट्रेटेजी रूल्स। अभी उसकी बारी जिसका हमें बेसब्री से इंतजार था, यानी कि इट्स टाइम टू automate our trading to our forex account. We will use Pine connector to connect the strategy to a forex account. This can be applied to various broker accounts using either MT4 or MT5. If you need more details, please check out our detailed video on Pine connector in our channel. First, download Pine connector EA according to your MT4 or MT5 account and set your license ID from your Pine connector account. Adjust adjust the setting according to your specific requirements. Now set up alerts for Pine Connector syntax. We want to initiate a buy for 1 lot of Euro USD when a buy signal is generated. Paste the Pine Connector webhook in the alert webhook. We will exit the buy position when an SL or TP hit alert is generated. The same process applies for selling. अगर आपको लॉट के बजाय रिस्क ऑन कैपिटल ऑटोमेटिकली क्वांटिटी एग्जीक्यूट करनी है, then you can set this up in the Pine Connector EA on MT4 with all our setup now complete. It's time to test the strategy. This strategy will automatically take trades and close them as soon as signals are generated. You can also set up this EA on virtual private server, eliminating the need to keep your laptop or computer running 24/7. You can use AWS, Google VPS or any other VPS service. If you are interested in more detailed video on VPS or full setup to live trading using VPS, please let us know in the comments. If you would like to access the script code for free, you will find the link in the description. This strategy has been automated, which means you don't have to follow it blindly. Also, automate it in a demo account to test its effectiveness and see how it performs without risking your real money. So आपकी खुद की भी रिसर्च कीजिए या फिर बैक टेस्ट कीजिए उसकी, क्योंकि पैसा आपका है, प्रॉफिट भी आपका, लॉस भी आपका, क्योंकि रातों रात वही अमीर होते हैं जो वर्षों से मेहनत करते हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज नो लक इन द मार्केट. आप और कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी को ऑटोमेट करना चाहते हो, कमेंट्स बिलो. इफ यू रिक्वायर असिस्टेंस विद स्ट्रेटेजी बैक टेस्टिंग और एल्गोरिथमिक ट्रेडिंग, you can contact us on our number. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing and clicking the notification icon. तो फिलहाल अभी तो चलते हैं. Stay tuned, stay happy and enjoy trading.